Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished Gmail worked more like a messenger app, quick, direct, and distraction-free, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the updated 2025 method for sending direct messages on Gmail using its built-in chat feature. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some pro tips to make your conversations smoother and more efficient. Step 1. Accessing the chat feature first. Log into your Gmail account on a web browser. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a little chat icon. This is your shortcut to starting instant conversations without leaving Gmail. Click on it, and you're ready to begin. Step 2. Starting a new conversation. Next, click on the New Chat button. A small chat window will pop up asking you to choose who you want to message. Step 3. Selecting your recipient. Begin typing the name or email address of your contact. Gmail will automatically suggest matching names from your contacts list. Once you see the right person, simply click on their name and then hit Start Chat. Step 4. Composing and sending your message. Now a dedicated chat window opens up separate from your inbox so you can focus. Type your message into the text box. You can also add formatting emojis or even attach files if needed. Once you're ready, hit the send arrow and your direct message is instantly delivered. Use Gmail chat for quick questions and short updates. It's much faster than drafting a full email. For professional or lengthy communication, stick with the traditional email format. And most importantly, always double-check you're messaging the right contact before sharing anything sensitive. And that's it. You now know exactly how to send direct messages on Gmail in 2025. It's a simple feature, but once you start using it, you'll see just how much time it saves. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and check the description for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.